In today's video, I'm going to take you on the journey and show you how I made this DIY extreme deep conditioning protein treatment that is absolutely fantastic, and it's great for damaged hair. It promotes hair growth and it also makes your hair thicker. So if you are having a challenge with breakage, then this is definitely the video for you. We'll also show you how we apply this to our hair. The first ingredients that we will need is our avocado. Now, avocado is very good for the hair. It actually is a great source of biotin and it has vitamins. It helps to smooth the hair and it brings about shine. So you want to go in. Now, I had started using half of this avocado, but at the end I recognized I had to go in and use one more, the other half, and also the another egg, which I did off camera. So we went in and just remove the skin of the avocado. You can use a fork to smash it, or you can put it in your blender, your NutriBullet, whatever you have, go right ahead and use it. I'm gonna pour this into my container. Then eggs, we were gonna go in with our eggs, and we know eggs actually also has biotin and vitamin B, and this helps to strengthen the root of your hair. So again, if you're facing breakage, you can include eggs different way. You can have eggs with aloe vera. You can just have eggs alone and just put that as a mask in your hair. I have been using banana for some time now, and so you must know I love banana. I try to eat banana at least once per day, like every day, but I also use it in my hair. And avocado is very good. We're gonna go in with a mixture of oil. This is an oil blend that I have, so I just went ahead and use it. Once I put everything together, you want to go ahead and you are going to blend everything together. Now, I always try to apply this on clean hair. So I'm just going to show you how I really just wash my hair. Now, guys, I have been hearing people say, oh, wash your scalp, but don't wash the ends of your hair. No, I was trying this. I'm like, oh, this is crazy. Once you're washing your hair, everything is going to get wet. Trust me. So just do it the best way you can. Just go ahead, and because I want to put my hair in a protective style for at least 2 months, I'm gonna go for 2 months. 3 months is the ideal thing, but the last time we went for 1 month, so we're gonna try to step it up at least 6 to 7 weeks. So we'll see how it goes. So I want to make sure my scalp is clean, so I'm going in and I'm massaging everything, making sure it is nice and clean. So you use your favorite conditioner, your shampoo, whatever you are comfortable with, then you want to go right ahead and use it. Now, once you have finished blending the mixture, the next thing you want to do, you could actually apply to your hair, but guess what? There are times some things, some little parts are not totally blended, and these might leave some particles in your hair. Now this time I want to avoid that, and so I'm going to go in, I'm going to be using a stocking cap. Use whatever you have, a socks, whatever you have, just go right ahead and use it. So I'm squeezing it out. Look at all that goodness. Now guys, the next thing we're going to add to this fantastic and amazing is our honey. And honey is actually very good for the hair. It is smooth for the hair shaft, and it also restores shine. Now guys, look at all of that. That is power right there. That is a great deep conditioning treatment we have right there. Now I'm going to show you the things that are left, and if I didn't do that, then all of this would be stuck in my hair. So you want to go right ahead and you want to do the same. So don't skip this part, okay? So look at all of that. All of that would probably be stuck in my hair. Now, once we are finished going in, we want to mix the honey, just that little tablespoon, not going to use a whole lot. And I like to include honey even when I'm cooking. Honey is actually very good for you, and it prevents breakage, and it actually seals the moisture in our hair. And I know a lot of us are struggling with this. So if you're struggling with retaining moisture, try to include honey in your DIYs. Now guys, let's apply this treatment. Be mindful that it can be a mess. So make sure you don't have on your favorite t-shirt or something really good. Now look at my hair before I apply it. Guys, you gonna look at my hair once I'm done. You're gonna see is that my hair just come back to life. It's really nice. You're just gonna go through in smaller sections. I try to do it in smaller sections just to make sure that everything gets touched. Now when we started this hair journey 2-3 years ago, we would have been using a lot of DIY, and I've been telling you I have been having a little challenge over the last 2 years. So my aim is to go back to doing my DIYs. There are things in your kitchen that you can use. Just make sure you do your own research. I'm sharing with you what I'm doing. You can follow suit, and you can also share with us what are some of the things that you have been using. So make sure every single strand get touched. Now guys, I used half of the avocado earlier, and when I was finished with the front, I realized my mixture was done. So I had to go back and use the other half of the avocado. I just go in with another egg and just a little bit of oil. I didn't use banana because I never had any more. I only had one left, but it was really, really good. So you want to go in and massage it, make sure everything is fully coated, and this is going to be, trust me, your hair will come to life. If you're facing breakage in your hair, then this is what you do. So this is how you apply this mask to your hair. Once we are done with that, you're going to go ahead and you're going to cover. If this is your first time, this is a great time for you to go ahead and subscribe to the channel and go ahead, hit the notification bell, make sure it's turned on, and hit that thumbs up, guys. This is a great time to do so. So once we are done, go in, cover with your shower cap, whatever you have. We're gonna go right ahead and cover. If you have work to do, you can go ahead and do it. If not, you can go ahead and go under your steamer, whatever you have. Go ahead, you could use a warm towel to add to that to get that heat, because you want the heat in the hair. So you're gonna go ahead and cover it for maybe about half an hour. And once you are done doing that, you know I've been rocking my steamer for a while, so I went under it for half an hour. And once it's done, then you just complete your wash day, and it's just gonna be so amazing. You want to make sure you stick around. I'll show you the process of me doing my hair, and you'll notice how my hair came back to life. Remember before, and this is after. So I'll share with you in the next video this protective style that I'll be keeping for the next 6 to 8 weeks. So it's bye for now until the next one. Let us know how your hair journey is coming along. Go ahead, share this video with a sister who you know having issue with breakage. Until the next time, bye.